Hi and welcome back. We are going to look at advanced serverless concepts. So the first concept is the AWS Serverless Application Model, or AWS SAM. The AWS Serverless Application Model is used to define your serverless applications. This is available as a project in GitHub. Now, if you want to use the AWS Serverless Application Model, the first thing you have to do is to create something known as a configuration file. This is nothing but a JSON or YAML based file. In this file, you basically define the resources that need to be created. So remember that you are creating a serverless application end to end. Now, in order to use the serverless application model CLI, or the command line interface, you have to install the command line interface using pip. You have to ensure that both Python and pip tools are installed on your local machines. Now let's say you want to deploy a Lambda function. We're actually going to see an example of this in the next video. So what do? Well, firstly, you define what is the Lambda code that you want to deploy. So you will define this locally. So instead of actually going to the AWS console and defining the function over there, what you will do is that you will actually first create the Lambda code locally. Then in the YAML file, you will actually define something known as a resources section, and in that you will define the type of AWS serverless function. So the resources section in the YAML file will define that your locally defined Lambda code is the one that needs to be deployed onto AWS. In the property section, you will then mention the handler and the runtime which is used for the underlying function. So let's go on to our next video. Let's look at an example of how we can deploy a Lambda function using that serverless application model.